to need 2 bowls, one bigger, one smaller. So we are going to need 200. Phoebe?
Phoebe.
Phoebe.
Turn the camera up. Phoebe, you want to join us?
Phoebe, you want to join us? You can if you want.
Alright. Phoebe's just going to sit here between us.
Hmm?
Alright. Or Phoebe's just going to be here. Phoebe's just going to lie in the sun.
Yeah, lie in the sun. So we're going to need, as I just said, 1 big bowl and a small bowl. So we will need 240 grams of unsalted butter and put it in the small one.
Wow. That's cool.
Yeah, it is cool. Okay, so we're going to need 15 milliliters of vanilla extract. Do you want to put it in, Natasha?
Yes, I'd like to. Alright, how many?
15 grams. I'll tell when to stop, okay? I'll tell you when to stop. Right, pick it up. Yep, I think that's enough. Yeah, there is enough. So, we're going to need 30 milliliters of oil and put it in this bowl. So, we'll need 4 eggs, but they have to be cracked. And
Yes.
we're going to put, yes. Do you want to put them in?
Yes, I do. Wait, I don't know how to hold it.
Alright, just hold it like that, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh,
There's some
yolky.
more. Yeah, that is yolky. I see some yolk.
Yeah, but I hope that these aren't rotten eggs because if there's a rotten egg, that means that there's a baby chick growing inside of the yolk.
Okay, so eat 100 grams of brown sugar and put it inside. Do you want to put it inside?
Yes, I do.
Ooh, it looks like sand.
Yeah, it does. I just.
Alright, and we'll need.
It feels like sand. It feels like sand.
I will need 100.
Look, touch it. Sand.
Whoa, look, it's turning brown
But
inside.
it feels like sand. Look, sand.
Oh, yeah, it does feel like sand.
You probably don't know who I am.
Well, her name is Natasha. She's not on YouTube, I know. But we need 100 grams of salt. I mean, not salt, sugar.
Okay, put aisles about. Look, it feels like sand as well.
Yeah, it does. It feels like crystals. Okay, so we're going to start mixing it. And Natasha, hold the bowl.
No, I'm scared.
All right, just hold it with me, okay? Oh, wait, you don't want me to hold it anymore? No, I'm done. All right. Okay, we're done, and it has to stop when you see it's a lighter color than it was before.
Alright, so we pour
We're
cocoa
going to
powder.
cocoa powder.
Yeah,
in.
we put cocoa powder in here and just
All right, you go fast with your cocoa. All right,
whole bot, the whole thing.
whole thing, yeah.
Yep.
And now some flour.
And wait, what's her name again?
Phoebe.
Phoebe will
And
do this.
We'll do the thingy because it's as big as her. All right, and shake it.
Oh, that's both shaking. Let's all shake it.
Yeah.
All in. Yes.
We have to hold the bowl too. Crazy.
Right. Oh my goodness. Alright, Phoebe holds that. I hold this.
Just want to sip it in, but there's big bits. Yore, 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 yore.
Stop. I just
Some chocolate brown bits inside. So like
yeah.
So now
Phoebe.
we're going to put this inside the bowl.
Oh, it's making smoke. Oh my goodness. Don't let it go into your eyes. Alright, Phoebe does it. Can I?
Yep. Oh my god. It looks like a dessert.
Alright,
So-
we have to do the top two. Alright, I'll just be holding.
All right. It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, you have to do the edges.
Okay, so we're done the chocolate with mixing it, and we're going to add the chopped up milk chocolate and dark chocolate into the bowl. And your turn to mix.
Mix.
Mix it. Oh my god. Alright, just have to do it like that. Okay, we're going to put the brownie
Chocolate.
butter into the brownie maker.
Which is my mouth.
Your mouth is coming. Your mouth is going to be cooked in a minute.
Ah! Wait, this isn't my mouth. This is just a baking tray. This is my mouth. Ah! Okay, guys. Now we just
Smoothing it out.
smooth it out.
Okay, we have the batter ready for the brownies. We need 22 to 25 minutes and 170 degrees. So we're just going to put it in the oven. My dad's going to help me because I don't want it to fall. So, see you in a while.
I'm not here.
Cuckoo. Okay, so now we have done it, but first we have to cool it down because it's really hot.
It's not hot. It's not hot at the top. Only like.
Oh, it's hot here.
Yeah, but it's just like a little bit
like-
on the top.
It's not that hot. It's just warm at the top, but very hot when you touch your hair. So
Yeah.
the brownie must be hot. So we're going to leave it for a bit.
For 1,000 years.
Infinity and beyond years.
Yes.
And then we're gonna eat it.
We're gonna eat it when we're dead.
Yay!
Yay!
So we'll see you soon while we're.
So we'll see you
Bye.
in 1,000 years. Bye.
Okay, so we're done that. Drum roll, please.
Brownies.
If you want to go, do you need to poo again? If you want to go poo, do you remember the toilet's upstairs?
No, it's right here.
Alright. I just think that is weird. Right, have a try of our brownies. I have a smaller one.
Big. I got big brain time. It's big brain time.
Okay, so I'm going to have another piece. It's really good.
It's super good. Super good. I'll need it.
That was good.
That was delicious.
That was amazingly delicious.
You too.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
Do you want to go poop now?
Yes.
Then go poop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.